Hello, this is Chris Math, and today we are handling midpoint of a straight line. Now, we've been given a question: find the midpoint of the straight line joining point A, which is 2, 1, and point D is 6 and 5. Now, this is not always important, but you can present the question in a form of graph for you to understand exactly what you have to do. So we will select different color to present it. Point A has, so we have point A, which has coordinate 2, 1, and point D, which has coordinate 6 and 5. Now, the 2 is on the x-axis, y, which is 1 on the y-axis, 6 is on the x-axis, 5 is on y-axis, just for you to remember that. Now let's present point A on a graph. X-axis is 2, x-axis is 2, and y-axis is what? 1. So where these hidden lines meet is point A, then point D, 6, 5. So we have on the x-axis, which is 6, and then we have y-axis, which is 5. So we have point D. Now we can draw a line through these 2 points. Now the question says, what is the midpoint of this straight line? We can always deduce or approximate that the middle point between these two points, or the middle of this line, is C. But how do you determine the midpoint of these 2 points? Now, let's use this formula. Midpoint, we can always use this formula. Midpoint we can always use x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is our general formula that we'll be using to solve this question. Midpoint is always equals x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Now, to put these coordinates into the formula, we can say that this is going to be x1, this is going to be y1. Then this is going to be x2, this is going to be y2 for the D. So x1 is going to be 2 plus x2, which is what? 6 divided by 2. y1 is what? 1 plus y2 is 5 divided by 2. So 2 plus 6 is 8 divided by 2. 1 plus 5 is 6 divided by 2. So 8 over 2 is 4. 6 over 2 is 3. So this is the midpoint coordinate, which we can always deduce to be 4 is going to be on the x-axis, y3 is going to be on the y-axis. So taking x, which is this, x on the x-axis, 4 on the x-axis, and then 3 on the y-axis. I think we had it correct. Where these two hidden lines meet is the midpoint. So you can do this in two ways, either through the graph or using this formula: midpoint equals x plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Any of these two works. But remember, if you are handling MCQs, I suggest that you go with the formula because this gives you a much quicker answer. In terms of written question, I think you can present it in a graphical way for you to understand it much better, and then for you to also get a better understanding of the subsequent question that may come with it. All right, thank you, family. It's your boy once again, Sir Chris Math. Please, if you like this video, just subscribe, put the notification bell on so that anytime I put on video, you will be the first person to receive it. Subscribe to my channel, please, I'm begging you, and also like, share, and then please put your